KUPA101.
Ko ai tō ingoa?
Ko kipa toki ngāke no Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei kei te Tunukai māua I te Mussel
Chowder.
Mussel Chowder. So first ingredient is the butter. Scoop it up. So we're going to mount our butter, get it all nice and hot. Oh, it's got a little helper. So once it's all mounted, we're going to add in our onions.
ANIANA.
Wait. Yep. All of it. Oh, straight it down. We're also going to add in our curry powder.
But I'll put it. I'm just mixing it.
Yep. Yeah. You mix with one hand and all. So we're just cooking out our flour to our ranu.
Ranu, mixture.
So our next ingredient is cream. Right, so we're just stirring it till it starts to thicken up a little wee bit. And our mussels are the last things we add into our chowder, so just get it nice and stop. Oh. Oh. We're gonna add in our mussels now. So I'll do this because it's a bit heavy. Oh, put it back in. Wait. So our last ingredient is our mussels. We've chopped them up and we'll keep them in their juice. So this is the flavour factor for all of this. So.
How does it taste, Brody?
Reka rawa. Hapai whanau, we're finished here today. Tune in to
Tunukai101. Heru hāpaitia, Heru